Our understanding of the cosmos has never been static. It is a fluid, evolving narrative that fractures and transforms with every technological leap and observational breakthrough. In the early 20th century, humanity believed the Milky Way constituted the entirety of reality, a lonely island universe surrounded by eternal void. This provincial worldview was shattered during the 1920s when Edwin Hubble, utilizing the monumental power of the Mount Wilson Observatory, measured Cepheid variable stars in distant spiral nebulae like Andromeda. Hubble proved definitively that these were independent galaxies millions of light-years away, and by meticulously analyzing their spectral redshifts, he revealed that the universe itself is expanding outward in all directions. His initial calculations estimated the age of the universe at a mere 2 to 3 billion years, a revolutionary figure that was paradoxically younger than Earth's oldest geological rocks, creating a deep temporal contradiction. Over the subsequent century, spaceborne satellite observatories including COBE, WMAP, and the Planck satellite mapped the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint, thermal echo of the Big Bang itself. Combined with precise measurements of stellar evolution within ancient globular clusters, modern cosmology has refined the accepted age of the universe to approximately 13.8 billion years. This temporal precision was severely tested by the discovery of the Methuselah star, HD 140283, located roughly 200 light-years away. Initial stellar models calculated an astonishing age of over 14.5 billion years, creating a profound scientific crisis where a star appeared older than spacetime itself. However, revised parallax data from the Hubble Space Telescope and refined stellar physics brought its calculated age down to around 13.7 billion years, successfully harmonizing stellar astrophysics with cosmic expansion. To grasp the immense scale of this timeline, astronomers project cosmic history onto Carl Sagan's famous cosmic calendar, compressing the 13.8 billion-year history of the universe into a single compressed calendar year. Within this poetic framework, the Big Bang occurs on January 1, Earth forms in mid-September, and all of recorded human history unfolds in the final 10 fleeting seconds before midnight on December 31. Even within the boundaries of our own Milky Way galaxy, fundamental mysteries continue to challenge established paradigms of gravitational physics and cosmic structure. For decades, stars orbiting at the outer edges of spiral galaxies presented a perplexing anomaly to astrophysicists. Under classical Newtonian gravity, outer stars should orbit much slower than core stars due to the drop-off in visible mass. Instead, flat rotation curves indicated that an invisible halo of dark matter, a mysterious, non-baryonic substance that neither absorbs nor emits light, exerts a dominant gravitational scaffold holding galaxies securely together. However, high-precision astrometric data from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission, which meticulously mapped the precise positions, distances, and velocities of nearly 2 billion stars, has significantly complicated this established picture. Gaia's comprehensive stellar tracking reveals that the total mass of the Milky Way may be substantially lower than previously estimated, dropping from older calculations of 1.5 trillion solar masses down to approximately 0.8 to 1.1 trillion solar masses. This dramatic reduction directly alters galactic dark matter distribution profiles, suggesting that galactic dynamics and mass distribution are far more complex than standard cosmological models assume. Beyond our local galactic neighborhood, astronomers observing large-scale cosmic structures have identified phenomena like dark flow, where vast galaxy clusters drift coherently at immense speeds toward an unexplained region between Centaurus and Vela. This coordinated motion cannot be adequately explained by the visible mass distribution in the observable universe, hinting at unseen structures or gravitational influences lurking far beyond our cosmic horizon. These persistent anomalies underscore a humbling reality of modern physics. Visible baryonic matter, comprising all stars, planets, glowing nebulae, and living beings, makes up less than 5% of the total universe. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter, accounting for roughly 27% as invisible gravitational scaffolding, and dark energy, accounting for approximately 68% as a mysterious repulsive force driving the accelerated expansion of space itself. Beyond our local galactic region, our view into deep cosmic history has been radically transformed by advanced space telescopes capable of capturing ancient light that has traveled across the universe for over 13 billion years. As light propagates across an expanding universe, its wavelengths stretch deep into the infrared spectrum, a universal phenomenon known as cosmological redshift. Modern space observatories bypass thick cosmic dust clouds to capture faint, pristine signals from protogalaxies that formed during the deep cosmic dawn just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Classical theoretical models predicted that galaxy assembly was a slow, hierarchical process where tiny star clusters gradually merged over billions of years into larger structures. However, recent observational breakthroughs from advanced infrared telescopes have severely challenged this paradigm by uncovering an astonishing abundance of massive, highly organized galaxies existing at extreme redshifts when the universe was less than 500 million years old. These ancient systems display surprisingly mature morphological features, including pronounced central bulges, distinct spiral structures, and remarkably high chemical enrichments of heavy elements like oxygen and iron. To analyze these extreme cosmic objects, astronomers rely on quantitative spectroscopy, carefully dispersing light into distinct spectral lines to identify chemical fingerprints, temperatures, and recession velocities. Spectroscopic measurements reveal that star formation rates in the early universe were orders of magnitude more efficient than previously imagined, or alternatively, that primordial supermassive black holes grew rapidly at the centers of young galaxies, producing intense radiation and accelerating galactic maturation. This ongoing revolution in early galactic evolution forces theoretical astrophysicists to fundamentally re-evaluate core assumptions regarding star formation efficiency and the rapid growth of large-scale cosmic structures. Simultaneously, the scientific search for exoplanets orbiting distant stars has shifted dramatically from speculative theoretical biology to a rigorous quantitative observational science. Nearly 30 years ago, astronomers knew of no confirmed planets outside our own solar system. Today, space-based surveys like NASA's Kepler and TESS space telescopes have confirmed over 5,000 exoplanets, revealing an astounding architectural diversity across the galaxy. These discoveries include scorching hot Jupiters tidally locked to their host stars, icy mini-Neptunes, and rocky super-Earths resting comfortably within circumstellar habitable zones where liquid water can potentially exist. Modern astronomers utilize sophisticated transmission spectroscopy during planetary transits, analyzing starlight filtering directly through an exoplanet's atmosphere to identify distinct chemical constituents and molecular fingerprints. A prime example is WASP 96b, a gas giant located 1,150 light-years away in the constellation Phoenix. High-precision measurements of WASP 96b revealed clear spectral signatures of water vapor alongside complex clouds and atmospheric haze, proving that complex chemical building blocks are widespread across galactic environments. Within our own solar system, Saturn's moon Titan, with its dense nitrogen atmosphere, active hydrocarbon weather cycles, and vast methane lakes, further demonstrates that prebiotic chemistry thrives under extreme planetary conditions. The realization that atmospheric chemistry and potentially habitable environments are remarkably abundant invigorates the search for planetary biosignatures, directly addressing the classic Fermi paradox, the profound contradiction between the high mathematical probability of extraterrestrial life and our ongoing lack of confirmed contact. This search prompts fascinating theoretical considerations, including the multiverse hypothesis in quantum mechanics and cosmic inflation, which suggest that our observable horizon may be merely one domain among an infinite landscape of distinct universes. This continuous evolution in our cosmological understanding reinforces a crucial truth. Scientific knowledge is inherently provisional, continually refined through rigorous empirical testing and theoretical adaptation. A prominent example is the unresolved Hubble tension, a statistical discrepancy between cosmic expansion rate measurements derived from the early universe via the cosmic microwave background and local universe measurements utilizing supernovae and Cepheid variables. When such profound anomalies arise, astrophysicists eagerly re-examine core assumptions, exploring advanced theoretical frameworks like modified Newtonian dynamics, decaying dark matter, or time-varying dark energy, ensuring that science remains an open-ended journey into the unknown.